Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your map to Apple on the Shipt Driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your maps to Apple so that every time you set the directions, your Apple Maps opens up. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt Driver app. Next, click on the hamburger icon on the top left-hand corner. Then click on your profile icon on the top left-hand corner again. From here, scroll down, click on Preferences, and then underneath where it says Preferred Maps app, click on Apple Maps. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your maps to Apple Maps on the Shipt Driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.